Okay, everybody, it's Big Al here. I've got something very different this time. Very different. I don't think I've ever done, I'd have to check my book, but I don't think I've ever done a dimple lock, period, at all, on video. This one here is that multi-lock. It's a multi-lock. It was a gift given to me by Bill Bacardi. Thanks again, Bill. It's freaking awesome. But I noticed I did pick it open. It was super easy, and I couldn't figure out why. I sent Bill a picture, and we agreed that some of the pins were actually in there upside down. So that's probably why it opened so easy. So I got it back together, where I believe it's all right now. And there's the key for it. It's called it says multi-lock integrator. That's really all it says. That's the. I also thought it was like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 pin yada yada. It looks crazy, but if I remember right, what is it, like 4 with a pin? But it does have pin in pin, and it does work. But it's got a little. It's getting stuck on the vise, but it does work like that. But if I remember right, geez, it's been a minute since I put it back together, but I want to say it was only 4 pins and then pin and pin, so like 8 pins. But anyways, I'm going to try, since I have put it back together the right way. I tried it a couple times and couldn't open it, so that tells me it's probably right now. Because yeah, it picked like so easy. I just knew something was wrong. Excuse me. So I sent a picture actually to Bill Bacardi, and he said, "Oh yeah, those drivers are upside down, bud." All right, so I'm using this cheap little tensioner on the side over here. It seems to fit real good. Because that other one that came with this cheap dimple pick set wants to rotate in there, so. All right, going in. One is bouncy. I noticed, well, now it's probably changed, but when I was able to pick it, I would do the outer pins first and come back and do the inner ones, and that's what opened it. But okay, outer is loose on 1. Number 2 is binding. Make sure I'm just on the outer. Okay, I got a nice little click on the second one. Yeah, I just figured anytime I try to open this lock, I'm going to go ahead and have the camera rolling just in case it happens. You know what I mean? Alright, the one in the back, which I'm guessing is 4 if I remember right, it's binding, so I'm going to try to get on the outer. Okay, I got a nice click. Felt good. Alright, coming back out. Well, let me see. Okay, let me see, 1's binding now. I'm going to try it. Well, if I can stay on it. Okay, got to click on 1. Feels like it's set, but I don't know. I know nothing about these dimple locks, man. One way to learn, though. Okay, I'm going in the back again. I want to say it's either the 3rd or, okay, the 4th. Looks like I lost it. Okay, got a nice click out of it again. Okay, 1, 2. I guess it'd be 3 maybe. Feels like it's set, but I lost 1. I seen it pop up. Okay, 1 again. Feels like it's set. Either set or overset, I don't know. Okay, 1 in the back popped up again. It feels like it might have set. So hard to tell. I'm not no good at these, so. Alright, let me see. See if I got the outers. third one. And the first one popped up again. Nope, it's set, I think. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, now I'm lost. I've got nothing. Guess I can try checking these inner ones now. I gotta tell you, these flags, none of the flags are worth a squat in this Banggood dimple set, man. They're awful. They're not long enough, so when you rotate it, I mean, you can pretty much spin it around inside the keyway. They're short. Okay, the inner one, if I can get on it, I think it's on 3. I might have set it. That was 1 again. Okay, honestly, it feels like I just went into a false set, but I don't want to get my hopes up. Well, I do, but I don't. 2, 3. I think it's the one in the back. I can't set it because I can rotate the flag too far. It's awful, just awful. Oh. Let's see if I can just get on top of them manually, like that. Nope. Oh, I would have lost that false set just now, that's for sure. Okay. 2, 3. I got that false set. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think I'm in that false set again. I want one again. Feels like 3. And there went that pick all the way around. Golly. Just awful. Yep, I don't think it's gonna happen. It's too bad. Well, I'm good at getting the false set. Yep, good at getting the false set, that's for sure. Now it's a false set. That sucker's turned. So that means I'm just hung up on probably one of the innards. I don't know which one. There it is. That's open. Bada boom, bada bing. Yowza. Alright. I don't know how much time we're in, but this is my first, well, first multi-lock for sure. I'm going to try and keep this. Guarantee you that much. Okay, let's see. Put her about right there-ish. Good. Tighten that down. Alright, shoot. Yep, it's open. That's an open. See that? Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Okay, like I said, I do have the key so I can lock it back up. Very much open. Lock it back up. Shoot. Alright, now we can all see these pins, and like I said, I'm like 99% sure that they're in right. Also, I watched a video, one of Bosnian Bill's, I think it was today, and I looked at how the pins were in one that he did, and it confirmed that I got this right. So here we go. I'm probably gonna have to, let me see, that's the top. Maybe put this in and rotate it around. Yep. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, man. Let's see where the pin's at on this. Right here. Okay. See, they're pin and pin. And there's only 4, so that's 8 pin, I guess you'd call it. Or 8 dimple, I guess we'd call it. Lay them out here. Whoa. Okay, these go, whoa, with that rounded side, just like that. And this goes like that. Let me get this out slowly so I can make sure. Yeah. So that's the, okay, so that's the, that part goes down by the key, like that. Yeah, this goes in here. Like that. Okay. Goes like that. And that goes like, oops, golly, man, like that, and like that. Okay, and it's standard, so there's nothing modified in that. Alright, and up top, where we at? Right here. I'm going to try to keep these positioned the right way, like that. You see those are also two-piece. Okay, so that part goes by the spring, that goes like that. And I do know one of these springs it was jacked up too, I remember that much, but it does work. Okay, that one goes like that. There's the spring. That was 2, so number 3. That's a spool. 2-piece spool pin. Another spring. And the last one, but not least, is a serrated. Okay. And like I said, it's a stock multi-lock, but so there's no mods to that part, to the Bible part. Okay, man, that was freaking awesome. I got it on camera, fair and square. So here's the pins. Albert's first multi-lock integrator, pin in pin, done on camera. That's what's up. Alright, so there's the pins right here. Where's my pointer? As you can see, oops. These are, well, they're pin in pin. I mean, they're not. It's not a challenge lock, but it is to me because it's a multi-lock pin in pin. My first one on camera. You can see these are 2 pieces, and these are like spring-loaded driver pins with the pin in pin inside of those. Spring pushes that part down, and then this part, if I remember right, that's like spring-loaded, where these pins interact with those inner pins, and yada yada yada, you get it. But hey, man, my first one picked on camera. I'm stoked. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.